What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to probably look at what we call top-down analysis. Over time now I've not really made any video on top-down analysis and how to look at pairs and all, but today I've taken it upon myself to make this video to show one or two person out there what they need to look out for while trading synthetic indices. So just like we have on the charts, this is volatility 50 index. We are going to run a top-down analysis on this pair, and then you can actually see what is the direction that we are anticipating that this market will give us. Okay, so you know already that to start your top-down analysis, you simply have to go to the higher time frame to see what price is doing on the higher time frame. Okay, so looking at the higher time frame, you can actually see that on this node, price has been trending, has been having a bearish momentum, creating series of from a high to a low, to a lower high, to a lower low, breaking structure to the downside in that order. But look at what happened around this region. We have a sweep of liquidity with this candle here. This is what he referred to as liquidity sweep. And then what happened? We have a change of character to the upward direction. Okay. So we have a change of character in the upward direction, and price decided to create a new high. So by expectation, we are believing that price will, it has made a corrective move. So we are expecting that price will definitely create that, new higher high to confirm that price has switched from being a bearish trend as at this point to a bullish trend. So what do we have to do? Let's go down to the 4-hour to see if we have any information available for us. So on the 4-hour as well, one thing that we can notice is the switch in trend. Okay, look at what happened here. This was the last lower high on the 4-hour before this lower low. But what did we notice? We see that the trend, there's a change in character as at this level. Okay, there's a change in character there. That gave us a sign that price might likely to be trending towards the upward direction. And what happened after that change in character? We have a corrective move to this level. And what did price do again? Price decided to actually give us a break of structure to the upward direction, confirming to us that on this 4-hour time frame, the trend has completely shifted from being a bearish trend to a bullish trend. So this is the information we have on the 4-hour. So currently price is having that corrective move to create a new higher high. So what we want to do right now is to actually scale down to a lower time frame. We can even go to 1 hour to see what is happening on the 1 hour. Okay, so let me remove this. So on the 1 hour, one thing that I can see here, I've marked this out, but then let me remove it so I can explain to you guys what is happening on the 1 hour, because you need to train your eye to be able to see some things that are happening in the market before you need to train your eye to see some things that are happening in the market. So look at what happened here. What happened here is this: price decided to sweep liquidity on the 4-hour. Price decided to sweep liquidity on the 4-hour. After the sweep of liquidity, what has happened? It gives us a break of structure. It gives us a break of structure here. So after this break of structure, what do we see? We have a push to the downside to create what we called structural liquidity as at this level here. So since price is having a corrective move as right now, we are anticipating that it's going to push down to break this thing and tap into a particular POI around this region before it starts pushing to the upside. So where is our POI? We're seeing a sweep of liquidity, a break of structure, and this break of structure is no, they refer to it as transactional liquidity, but I'm not teaching liquidity today. So if this is your first time of viewing my content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned because there are more, good knowledge that will be shared on this channel. So make sure you follow up. Yes, in the description of this video, there is a link to our Telegram channel. We drop daily signal on a day-to-day basis. So aside the signal that we drop on the Telegram channel, we also host live section to teach and then try to get feedback from the community about how their trading is going and also find a way to give them good trading advice. So like I said, this is the channel and you can actually see that there are updates. This is a trade from $1 to $10. This is $6 to $25. These are some moves. And yes, like I said, we normally have like live section. As at the time of recording this video, we are already planning to host our section and you can see other updates like that. So you can actually decide to join us using the link in the description of the video. So having said that, the next thing we are looking out for is to get our POI. So this is on the 1 hour time frame. We can actually spot our POI from where the sweep of liquidity happens and then we expect that once price sweep this liquidity, it will give us a candle confirmation around here for us to probably make an entry. So let's go down to the 15 minutes or probably the 5 minute, because the 5 minute time frame is actually the time frame that I use for my entry. Yes, I know you can actually use 15 minutes and up, but me personally, I use the 5 minute for my entry. So I'll come down to my POI, which I marked out around this region, and I can actually look for a a demand candle around here. But nevertheless, I will just exercise patience until price tapped into this POI before I make any move. So trading has a lot to do with patience. You really need to have patience with it. Wait for your setup to materialize so that you can capitalize on it. This trade is like about how many risks to reward ratio. This is like entry is around here. Our SL is just going to be below this protected low, and then we are targeting this high. Okay, so this is like about 1:7 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so I'm actually waiting for something like this to happen, and then after my confirmation I can find entry here and my take profit will just be around here. So that is just basically what I am currently seeing on volatility 25 volatility 50 index. So okay, this is actually a trade that I have I think I've done the analysis on this already, and currently the trade is, although it has not moved far, the same concept. So you need, another thing is you need to have the right knowledge. The same concept, there's no big deal. You have a sweep of liquidity, a transactional liquidity, break of structure, and what did price did. Price came back to sweep this liquidity, tap into the POI, which is actually supply level around this zone, and then gives a candle confirmation, having this bullish engulfing bar here that closes below this 1 2 3 candle, which is the confirmation, and you can see that the entry is currently on. So that is that about that, guys. I don't want to make this video too lengthy so that you can actually have time to go over it again to see what you might be missing out in your trade. Okay, so if you have been trading forex and you are not trading synthetic indices, like I said, you are missing out a lot. I've dropped a video on why you should start trading synthetic indices. Okay, so in the description of this video I will make the link available for you to create your synthetic account and start flipping. Today is Saturday. The forex market is currently closed, but I am already in the market on synthetic indices, making much money, and you don't need to like have the panic of, oh, news is coming out, oh god, how do I interpret this news, oh, is it going to go up, is it going, no. All you just need is your right technical skill, your good psychology, your good risk management, and you're good to go on synthetic indices. So don't forget to like this video, like I said, and this is your first time, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. All right, peace out, guys. On us, cheers.